Welcome back everyone. In today's video I will unbox the IKEA wall cabinet. Article number 90265454. Alright, let's start. My tools will be the knife, then screwdriver, impact driver with a PZ bit, a hammer, square, and pin nailer. It's a gable floor, so this one will be top floor, another will be bottom floor, another gable, and baking piece. Alright, so first thing I will screw those two. Again, this video to get you familiar with the process. When you do it yourself, you will kind of know what you're doing from instruction and from this video. Next, I will put those wood dowels into instructions. Assemble boxed screw the brackets, positioning them correctly according to IKEA instruction. Otherwise you will face the problems when you try to install the piece. You will need to and fix it. I will use the top floor closer to those angle brackets, align with all the holes and align with the groove for baking. So use special locking nuts and lock them by rotating 180 degrees clockwise. Same thing, line up groove with the gable groove, put into correct holes, then get those locking nuts, put in place and lock the nut by rotating 180 degree until you cannot rotate it. White side inside to the cabinet, gray side outside of the cabinet. Okay, when baking piece in place, I line up all the holes and grooves and put the gable. Okay, where is the groove? Oh. Okay, those locking nuts push in and rotate 180 degree and 180 degree when they in. IKEA recommend to use baking to make it square, the way with the square. Kind of more under control, because you can see if you have any gaps. Not use the square not from outside the floor, not line up with the gable, but inside you make the square and then you apply nails. In my case I will use pin nailer to hold the frame. This is critical. So now all done. IKEA has two spacers, plastic spacers, but I will put them later. Now cabinet is ready and assembled, and it took me 12 minutes 30 seconds to assemble it. Subscribe, like, comment, share, and we'll see you in the next video.